Today's video is everything you need to know to visit Banff National Park. Banff National Park, let's launch this adventure. Hey everybody, my name's Leslie. Welcome to today's adventure. We are in Banff National Park today, checking out the sights and sounds, scenes. It's Winterfest in Banff right now here in Alberta. So we're going to be checking out special events and all the happenings around town. So come on along and join us. Now, if you're flying into the Calgary International Airport, you can plan on the journey from there to Banff town site to take about an hour and a half. You can rent a car at the Calgary International Airport, or you can jump on Brewster Transportation and catch the bus that takes you from the airport down to the Banff town site. Average cost is $59 to $84 Canadian per person. You can use the shuttle system to get in and around Banff, as well as to all the surrounding tourist spots and locations, as well as all three major ski hills. Some of these shuttles do only run seasonally, some are only in the summer, and some are only in the winter, so you'll have to check your local listings. Some of which, like the Banff Gondola, you'll actually have to have your gondola ticket prior to boarding in order to use the shuttle for free, so be sure to check that out before booking. Here we're having a look at the gorgeous Banff Springs Hotel owned by Fairmont. It was built in 1927. Any and all dignitaries that visit Banff always stay here. Welcome to the Banff Gondola. Tickets here range from $60 to $80 seasonally per adult. And again, you can take the shuttle from the Banff town site for free if you pre-purchase your tickets here. Average temperatures in Banff in the summer are 22 degrees Celsius or 71 Fahrenheit. In the winter are minus 15 or 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So best advice we can give is to dress in layers so you can peel those layers on and off as the sun comes up, warms you up, and goes down behind the mountains and cools things off. Ski season in Banff goes from late November to May, snow depending. Sunshine Mountain has the longest ski season of the three mountains, so keep that in mind. Summer season in Banff is from typically May to September, with the highest crowd levels being July and August, most especially for the July and August long weekend. So definitely keep that in mind if you're crowd averse. January and into the beginning of February are snow days in Banff, and that has become insanely crowded. The skijoring event on the weekend for snow days just drew 44,000 people in the park each day for that single weekend. So definitely something to keep in mind. Parking is a huge problem in Banff. So if you do want to visit and you're coming up for the day, get into the town site early by 9:30 in the morning if you're hoping to get parked. Similar early start to your day advice also goes if you're going hiking for the day up to Johnston's Canyon, Lake Louise for the day, or hikes in around the Banff town site. You should arrive early so you can get parked and have the best and easiest experience away from the crowds. Also of concern is if you are hiking in the Banff area, there are a lot of bears in Banff, so make sure to take some bear spray with you as a precaution. Hoping to camp in around the Banff town site there, you will want to do your research and check the earliest release date for those campsites. They are a very hot commodity and usually sell out within the first hour. So do your research, know your dates and your times, and prioritize the sites in which you prefer so that you have the best opportunity to secure those sites. With the Canada Strong Pass, there are sales on the camping nightly rates, so double check those and the dates that those offerings are also valid. Banff town site itself has plenty of restaurant offerings and hotel accommodations all available, most of which are located on Banff Avenue, so that'll be where you can find the greatest diversity of hotel and accommodation options, as well as a number of award-winning sit-down restaurants. There is Cascade Plaza Mall. The lower level of the Cascade Mall also has a food court, which has a few kind of traditional fast food like Edo and Popeyes, as well as other things like a donair place. So if you're just looking for a quick bite to eat, to grab and run, there's that option. On Buffalo Avenue, there's also a few food options like Hanky, which is Korean street food, which we highly recommend. That's one of our favorite go-tos. So plenty of opportunities to try a diverse range of food in the Banff town. Okay, welcome to Banff Avenue, Banff National Park. Elkin Avenue Hotel with Farm and Fire restaurant. Banff. This is Cascade Plaza. It's actually a little mall in here. There's a fantastic food court downstairs. It's a great spot to get in. The old spaghetti factory is also in here. We'll head down. Likely not a whole lot open just yet, as it's pretty early in the day, but we'll check it out. Popeyes, Edo. There's a Popeyes in here. Shawarma, Edo, Yun's Bistro, and Dollarama. Grizzly House is one of the most historic restaurants here in Banff. Beaver tails. Starbucks. Caribou Street. Also closed to traffic now. This Rocks and Gems place up here is one of my personal favorite shops here in Banff. So many neat. Mount Royal Hotel there.
When's the last time you were
Jeff Walker Gallery. Spirit of Christmas. Okay, the moment has arrived. Check this out. Some good stuff.
Yeah, you too. You guys probably, you guys
What else? What would Jeffrey like?
Every kind of pocky you can imagine. In the summer months in Banff town, you can rent a canoe to go out on this river. There are moose that love to go out on this river as well, so you might get some really unique vantage points and views. Head down the path and see these huge blocks of snow that they've prepared for the sculptures. This is the very early beginnings of the sculpture. So cool. Be neat to see what it turns out to be. So again, public washrooms there, Winterfest, snow sculptures, ice sculptures there. We're heading back down we're on Buffalo Street heading towards Banff Avenue. This is the Banff train station. It is used by the Rocky Mountaineer, so this is where you'll be catching that train in Banff. And we hope that we've answered all of your questions as far as travel to the Banff National Park area. If there are any other questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much for joining us on our adventure to Banff National Park. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, places you'd like us to check out, please drop them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.